Moonlight Game Streaming is an open-source game streaming app that lets you stream PC games from a computer with NVIDIA GameStream technology to another device, such as a phone, tablet, TV, laptop, or another computer. Free and fully open source, allowing deep customization, plugins, and community contributions. Moonlight lets you play your PC games on phones, tablets, laptops, smart TVs, Raspberry Pi, another PC, and ChromeOS devices. You can enjoy high-quality gaming anywhere. Moonlight uses NVIDIA's GameStream technology to deliver very fast, low-delay gameplay, suitable even for fast-paced games like shooters or racing games. Moonlight delivers some of the fastest, most responsive remote gameplay, excellent for action, racing, and competitive games. All data is encrypted using industry-standard security, keeping your connection safe while gaming remotely. You can select which monitor or window to stream if you have multiple displays.